Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley, and today I've been out raiding the rack and I want to show you some beautiful plants I came home with today. And we are sitting here in Yorkim's corner of our garden here at Crystal Cottage because this is where I'm going to start having my Hosta collection. And those are the plants that I've been out raiding the rack for today. So you can see I have a few here on the table in front of me, and we have some of those that are already in the collection here on the side here. So I'm going to bring each one of these in so you can get a good closer look. But before that, I just want to make sure that you've noticed my beautiful fuchsia that is flushing out with flowers all over it and looks absolutely amazing. It's the same root system that I put down in the cellar every year and repot with new soil, and then it bounces back in the summer just like this. And if you see me, look at the size of this plant. Beautiful. Anyway, let's get on with the hostas. So the first hosta I want to show you is Hosta Krossa Regal. And before, oh my, I was just about to say, before I get rained on, because there's a huge storm on the way here, I need to get this video recorded, but I'm not gonna stop now. Oh, that was a bit frightening though. Anyway, Hosta Krossa Regal, beautiful kind of longish leaves on it, as you can see here, if I bring it in closer. Long, lovely leaves on this. It's got a kind of light green, bluey sheen to it. It's got this kind of film on top of the leaves. Very nice plant. So I saw that and I had to get me an example. The lovely Hosta Krossa Regal. So the next beautiful hosta I want to show you here is Hosta Coloured Hulk. And this has a darker green sheen on the edge of the variegated leaf and then a lighter green in the middle that can be a creamy white colour as well. And look at these closer up. Absolutely beautiful. So you can see the variegation there. And you can see on the one here at the top that it's more of a white sheen on it. So that's an absolutely beautiful hosta as well. Hosta Coloured Hulk. Lovely plant. I can't wait to get these potted into their pots where they are going to flush out wonderfully. And this one even has a little baby one coming out here. So I'm really pleased with that because I've got two for the price of one. So the next lovely little hosta I want to show you here is little right now, but it will become ginormous in a couple of years. So if left alone in a pot or in the ground, not disturbed and allowed to pop out, it will produce bigger and bigger leaves. This is the well-known Hosta Big Daddy, and it gets big, beautiful, roundish leaves here that are these greeny grey colour, absolutely wonderful. So I'm really looking forward to planting this up. This storm is a bit frightening. And I need to get on because it's starting to rain. Yeah, so Hosta Big Daddy, lovely, beautiful plant for your shade garden. And the next hosta I want to show you is this one. It's called Hosta Permafrost. And it gets yellow around the edges of the leaves, quite a thick border, and green in the middle. So it's absolutely beautiful. But at the moment, this one looks like it's got kind of whitish borders on it. But I'm sure it can mature into the yellow. So I'm looking forward to that. And again, there are two plants in this pot. So I'm very pleased about that. And can't wait to get this potted up too. Hosta Permafrost. Now, the final hosta I want to show you today is this one I have on the table here. This is a larger one I got. And this is called Hosta Cyboldiana Elegance. And look at these beautiful leaves. Absolutely wonderful, big leaves. Big plant ready to go. If I should do a size comparison, look at my leaf compared to this leaf. And these leaves will get a lot bigger than this. So I'm looking forward to putting this in a bigger pot where I can let this explode into life. And in this pot there are 3 plants, so I'm so pleased with that. So remember, hostas are mainly shade-loving plants. They do like a dry, shady area, but some varieties do like to be in direct light for a few hours each day, but not too hot, too long, burning on their leaves. So dappled light is the best for these plants, or half shade light. I really need to get in now because it's starting to pour down with rain, so I just wanted to say that. But I found that with my plants, they do like to stay moist if you want to get a good amount of leaf growth every season and to keep them happy, but never bogged down in water, never soaking wet, just enough. And I am getting soaked right now. So all I have to say now is thank you very much once again for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be coming up, and I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.